Welcome to the sixth video of visualization Python series. In this video, we are going to see how we can plot a line chart by using Matplotlib and Seaborn. So first I will import all the necessary libraries like pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Then I will create one random dataset by using the random libraries. So this will create one data frame. So if I now check for my data frame, so this is my data frame looks like. It has information like region, product, year, sales, expense, and profit. It's basically information about the sales and its expense, profit, and we have a categorical information like region, product, and one series information like the year. So let's see how we can plot a line chart on this. So before that, what is line chart? In simple, a line chart is a data visualization that displays data point as a markers connected by the lines, typically used to show the trends and pattern in a data or a continuous range such as time. So line chart is basically used to show the trends over a period of time. For example, if I want to show the sales from 1923 to 2022, so I can plot it on the line chart. It will show the trends, how the sales gone over a period of time, whether it's down or whether it's gone up, like that. So we can show the time series by using the line chart. So let's see how we can plot a line chart. So I will use Seaborn library sns.lineplot. sns.lineplot. Within that, data is equal to my data frame. Then the x-axis, I want to show the year, means the time is my year. Then in y-axis I will show the sales. Then in y-axis I want to show the sales. So I have to show the year in x-axis and the sales in y-axis. So I have defined that. So if I run this, let's see what will we get. Yeah, we have got an error because the y is in small. We have to give it in a capital form. So let's see. Yeah, we got a line chart for my sales in a time series like 1920 to 2020. It gone like this. We can see the trends. It is increasing, decreasing, because it's a random data, so it don't show any pattern like this, whether increasing or decreasing. So if you are working on a real data, it will show the real trend of your sales over a period of time. So this is how we can plot a line chart for a time series. So I will show one interesting fact about that. This is, here I have the region as a categorical data. If I want to show the sales by category, I can do one thing that's called as HUE. If I give HUE as my category, if I give HUE as my category, let's see what will you get. Sorry, it's region. If I give HUE as my region, let's see. Yeah, we got line like this. It show the blue line represent the eastern region sale like this, and the orange line represent the west region, green line represent the south region, and the red line represent the north region. By this way, we can visually categorize the data by using HUE in line chart. So this is the use of HUE in line chart. We can do many other customization also by in the line chart, line plot. If you want to learn more about this, you can refer the documentation of the line chart, line plot in Seaborn. So this is about this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.